Greetings and welcome once again to my new calculus channel. My name is John Gabriel, and today I'm going to be talking about a follow-up to my previous video, just to elaborate a little bit more on what I was saying there. So let's begin. So in the previous video, I talked about setting h is equal to 0 because this non-secant line, non-parallel secant line slope can be decomposed into the function, as you see there, into the derivative function and the slope difference. And I explained it in my previous video, so I'm not going to spend time on it. Now, you can actually download two articles from my academia site. You have to be logged in, by the way, and I'll place links to these, which show you how to do all these things the right way. Okay. So, oh, by the way, when you see this here, don't think that I'm actually needing to use Newton's sine series. I don't need to, because I've come up with closed form trigonometric formulas that make Newton look like a prehistoric orangutan. Okay, so to save you the trouble, you won't understand what's written in this article unless your IQ is above 120. I can guarantee you that. So don't even waste your time. These are closed form formulas for all the trigonometric functions. Now, I'll give you a link to that anyway if you feel brave enough. So these two articles here show you how to find the derivative and the integral using the new calculus definition, which is this plus the auxiliary equation. Okay, so the auxiliary equation in the new calculus simply says, let's do this, simply says, I'll get back to what's written on that chart in a second. It says f of x plus n plus n minus f of x minus m over m plus n is equal to f prime of x plus q of x m n. But now in the new calculus, this expression here is always 0. When I rigorized your bullshit mainstream calculus, I used this expression here. But of course, this is only 0 if f is a linear function. Okay, so, and of course, the new calculus is far better, far more efficient, far easier to learn, and 100% rigorous. Now, some years ago, I was debating with these idiots here. One of them was Markus Klyver, another one was Jean-Pierre Massager, this idiot who calls himself Python. And of course, they don't even know what a factor is. But if you read on here, you'll see the kind of mentality of mainstream mathematics academics. And even though they're corrected by a high school kid, they still don't get it. So this idiot here, Markus Klyver, said that. Look what he said. This guy has purportedly a master's degree. So he says f prime of x plus g of x is equal to this. And then he says, let's say that which can take the role of q. And then he says you can define q in terms of f prime, but that's not defined yet. That's absolute drivel, by the way. And the typical mistake that this moron and others like he will make is what you see in this expression here. Okay. So somehow Markus Klyver, with his master's degree in mathematics, doesn't understand these two things are the same. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say. So ChatGPT says, Markus Klyver, you claim to have a master's degree in mathematics, yet you cannot grasp something as simple as this identity. And ChatGPT breaks it down and says, definition of 2x by basic arithmetic. 2x is just x plus x. Adding and subtracting 0, since k minus k equals 0, it's a fundamental property of numbers. Nothing changes. Absolutely nothing changes. Rewriting 2x plus h, we can rewrite that as that, but it doesn't change the value. And for all intents and purposes, it's the same thing. So if you, Marcus, still fail to understand this trivial manipulation, guess what, ChatGPT? He's still battling to understand it. You should return your degree to Uppsala University and demand a refund. It's embarrassing that someone with an alleged master's degree in mathematics cannot follow such basic algebraic transformations. And all I did was ask with this prompt here. This is the prompt that I put to ChatGPT. You can pause your video and look at it. So I'll put a link to this long back and forth with these idiots so that you can see what kind of apes I've had to deal with on my life's journey and understand why I get irate and have very little patience for dimwits. So that's pretty much it. I'll place a link to all these. If you're not already a subscriber to my great channel, become a subscriber, click like, follow me on academia, and you can also become a members only member by clicking the join button on any of my videos. Okay, so you can go to the video, click on it. There's a join button. Let's do it because a lot of you are morons. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So once you're at the video, you see this join button here. You just click on it and you follow the prompts. You follow what it asks you to do. Put your credit card number in or something else. And for $4.99 a month, you get access to information that I don't normally share with people. Okay. And you also get a chance to ask me questions on the new Calculus Discord. There's the questions and the lobby section. So that's pretty much it. Till next time, my name is John Gabriel. Goodbye.